Even it's more than, right?
Yeah.
Because it's not ready now.
How many meters?
It's too much.
How many meters?
You just go. Why is like this? Like,
Yeah, I would love to.
water is different here something. Just you go, I will let you know, okay?
Pambira.
Why is like this? See? Suppose to meet the street.
No, because the railway. I took 38 minutes.
Huh?
38 minutes. What time we arrived there now?
6 o'clock.
Oh my goodness.
Why?
Day is late.
No problem. Just go straight, brother. Fight is not good.
I know eh.
Go, Ray. Go down and push gun, park the boat like, and come back. Then police. It's put you gas, your gas. It's put your gas around and pull you.
Really?
Yeah. Searching here, right? I'm going this area.
Yeah.
It's doing by self. You don't need to touch nothing.
No need to drive that.
No need to drive. Press the brake. This one, no. Just right here. Press. It's going by self.
That's great. How many meters? 200?
Yeah. Just go. Because already you're going this way. No way another way here. Just going.
Just go straight.
Yeah, just go straight.
We're in downtown now.
Yeah. No, downtown is too much far for here.
We're now in 92 Avenue.
Yeah.
We already passed 95 Avenue.
Why? Yeah, it's good.
Just go straight.
Just go straight. Yeah. I will tell you, brother. If you leave me map, then it's good. Because the 95 is like this, you know, like that is showing, right?
Okay.
That's why. This way is already going you in the Hinton street. Hey, shoot. Not
Kung
someone.
hindi ka sanay sa daan na to, ang daming
I love you.
daming sanga-sanga.
Sasaka boy.
Tsaka
हमको हमसे चुरा लो, दिल में कहीं तुम छुपा लो,
Chupa.
हम अकेले हो ना जाए. Just go straight, brother.
We're lost. No. I don't know where we're going now.
Just go straight. And I will tell you. Okay. Now you're taking one much left from that area.
Right?
Yeah.
I thought Anton hindi.
Yeah, after this Hintunindi. After Waimat, Hintunindi. 6 meters, 600 meters.
Ano tayo napalayo ah?
No, I will go to the right way, don't worry. If I put my location here and you drop me home, he doesn't know, right?
You remember me, you and Joel? We went to the wrong place. Nawala kami, walang yung jewel na yun. Oh, may Google Maps.
Maybe after this bus.
Oh, it's 56. This one Century Park, Meadow Clark.
Which one?
This one, Meadows.
Yeah.
Going to 17th Street.
Follow. Tour.
1 hour, that's a 1 hour. Oh, West White Mud Drive.
Yes. Where are you coming? Luxus. Luxus.
Turn here.
Yeah.
Okay,
Way street.
turn off now. I know where to go.
Alam. Enda corner. Now sa may corner.
Layo, pinaanan natin.
Layo na.
Ba't
Paikot-ikot.
kaya to siya?
Ay, straight siya kaya lang nagpatagal yung ano,
Traffic.
yung
Stoplight.
yung 40 yung speed.
Sa Shash pala, Shash yung may corner sa mga.
Hindi ka makagalaw doon kasi
Kaya nga,
40 lang speed niya. Pero ang tunay din na to.
hindi pa. White mud.
Bawat man.
You know after this, right?
Yeah.
After 2 kilometers, you turning.
Palayo na tayo kasi nag-white man tayo.
Kaya nga eh.
Kasi
Balik ka na lang sana tayo dun sa ano,
Dan,
kabila.
dapat sumunod ka na lang sa bus.
Kaya,
Kasi susunod na yun, ano yun eh.
punta sa atin yun. sa
Calgary
Central
Trail.
Park. Oo. Kaya pala nag-left siya, no?
Oo. Palayo tuloy tayo.
Kinuha niya yung dalawang ilaw.
Oo, nilagay ko sa van.
Kaya maganda rin yung bag natin ngayon. Na, ano? Kaysa yung box na bigat-bigat.
Mahirap yun.
Jawad,
Hmm.
are you on the rush?
Huh?
Are you on the rush?
Hmm.
You can start your car in your cell phone, right?
No. I fuck up.
Why?
I don't know. I deleted my.
Oh, your program?
Yeah, program. I deleted. See now it's coming like this.
Yeah.
Yeah, like this.
You have to unload, you have to load it again. Login. But if you forgot your login, you're done.
No, I'm going to the because I'm trying too much login, but it's not good. It's not
So,
showing anything here.
you can go on a Toyota.
Yeah, I'm going there.
Hatid na kita, boy. Ang dami lang nakapasok. May higit 15. At least. Ewan ko ano nakain ni Ali, ba't ayaw ka nang ipahatid na?